Why are you telling man this bullshit, bro? This is a rather interesting name.
Come on, boys, let's do this. Coronavirus 2020, protect it, protection.
It's like coming up to 1 o'clock in the morning, Saturday night, Paris. We spent about 5 to 6 hours editing McDonald's because we found a Mackie D's that has a plug, so I could plug my my laptop in. And unfortunately, we are really far away from the spot that we slept last night. It's way too far to go tonight, so we're gonna go to the nearest park, see what we can find there, hopefully a place to sleep. And then tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's Sunday. One more night in Paris and then we'll leave Monday morning. That's the plan anyway. I don't know if you guys can see much. Let me try to catch a glimpse of light. This is our place for today. MTV Cribs. We are in between some bushes and some bins or something, whatever it is. From the right hand side, they're not gonna see us, no way. From the left hand side, no way. The only thing that worries me is that they may be able to see us like there and there, forwards and back, but should be alright. I think the park opens at 7:30 in the morning, so it's coming up to what, 1:30, so we've got about 6 hours sleep. But yeah, that's it. So should be a good place for today. Glad we found something because I was not on walking. This is just as good. Stay safe out there, don't do drugs, and love your parents. Peace.
Good morning, good morning.
This was our residence for the night. It was alright. I mean, the only thing was like cars and people come up from parties and stuff, and it was kind of loud. But it was comfortable as hell, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's time to get dressed, sort this stuff out. Hey, yo, what's that? Alright, need to get dressed because it's fucking starting to rain. So I want to just make sure we clean the space where we were, so we don't leave anything behind. Put it back where it was.
Okay.
Bland TV. And this guy cleaning the streets, he woke us up basically. He was so loud.
That's our bathroom.
That's our bathroom, exactly.
The best place in the city, which is in the middle of the parks. What do you say? Better than in home?
Yeah,
house,
of course, mate, of course. This is the one. Fuck it. I might do a whole shower, man. I haven't showered in how many days?
Fuck knows.
4 nearly. Fuck. Alright, well, let's do that. Shower time, fuck it. Joking. Alright, Lost Boys top tip. Yeah, if you're trying to get into a museum, you need to leave your bag somewhere beforehand, because like this museum and another one yesterday actually, and they said that no, we can't let us in because your bags are too big. And I said, well, can I not just leave my bag anywhere? Because of the COVID situation, the lockers are not working or something. Like, I just have clothes in there, and I told them I don't mind, like I can just leave it like in the office or something. No, you can only leave it in the lockers, but the lockers are closed. Bro, what do you mean? Like, David just said one really important thing. They're acting like we have COVID in our bags. Like, what is this? That's quite interesting. Look how they have small bottles of alcohol. Got them packed in these little plastic things. Never seen that before. Seems like today is a top tip day, yeah? Another top tip from the Lost Boys is, if you ever go to a shop and you want to figure out how expensive that shop is, always have one item that you know very well in every country, wherever you go. Normally around here in Paris, you get a can of Coke for €1. That shop had it for €39. Yeah, so you already know that that shop is expensive. Everything else is going to be expensive. So, but yeah, Lost Boys top tip. Always have one item, know the price. When you're into a shop, check that item straight away. Yeah, we go, that's what we're looking for. Number 20, our Polish guy, composer. Quite possibly one of the greatest composers ever to live. So his heart is actually in Poland, in Krakow, in our castle, but his body is here. So we're gonna go and find it. So we're there, so go straight, right and left. Alright, we got that. We got this. And another composer that's also Polish. Well, 1999. And look, his wife died this year. Okay, so it might be
Warsaw, check. Warsaw, Paris.
yeah, Warsaw, Paris. She was born in Warsaw, died in Paris. Another pianist. To robi
Ale to jakby się nauczył od 5-latek.
Skills and
Life
that.
skills.
Skills and that. I don't know why, but I quite like cemeteries. They have a lot of life in them. And it just reminds you that you're human and that at the end of the day we're all going to end up here. There's no way out of it. It's the only way.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And there he is, Mr. Fryderyk Chopin, our Polish composer.
Polska Warszawa. So we're waiting, we're figuring out how much it costs for the ticket, whatever. And we're looking at these gates, yeah? And I just see one Donny like throw his bag underneath the gates and then just slide underneath like belly flop. Just looked at each other and went, yeah. Straight up bags. Dobra.
Trzymaj, man, trzymaj.
Oh, by the way, this is what the trains look like. They're a lot bigger than in London, that's for sure. Stations are a lot bigger. The trains have a bigger capacity. Because the thing is, you don't need a ticket to get out. You don't need a ticket to get in. So it's alright, I guess. Gotta go 4 stations, change the line. 4 stations, and we're going to meet some people. So yeah, should be a good day. Should be a good day. We're in luck today. Look at this. We've got some more sugar. We found some sugar, bro.
It's a little bit like a smashed.
Yeah, it's alright. It's a bit soft. It's just there, bro. That's what I mean, man. See? The universe is on our side, bro. Trust me. We found the girls. Got a little present for them. We got 4 bananas for free earlier. We had 2. Left 2 for the girls. Yeah, I think I saw them earlier, but I wasn't sure if it was them.
I hate stairs.
I prefer lifts. Proszę.
Ej, no przecież to my mamy!
Ale my mamy banana.
Ej, a my
Ale
wam
myśmy
banany!
dostali za pliko.
Ej, bo dostaliście, ale a my wam kurwa banany!
No dobrze, ale dostaliście 4 banany, więc
Gdzie byliście?
proszę.
Nie, to my mamy banany!
Proszę, no to jest dla was, od nas.
Ej!
Kartą płacisz w kościele. Pokażę. Też ja znowu jestem. Okej, są jest to.
Ale chciałem. Czekamy teraz na dziewczyny, które poznaliśmy i co? Nakarmiły nas, napoiły, teraz czekasz na puszkę Coca-Coli.
Teraz czekam w Coca-Coli, tak. O, idziemy na dół. See what's going on? We're kind of tired with Dave. So we're just chilling. Louvre Museum. Apparently it's the biggest museum in the world and it has over 300,000 pieces, and if you wanted to look at every piece for 30 seconds, it would take you over 100 days, 100 or something days. Apparently Mona Lisa, she has her own postal, whatever, post box, and people send her love letters and, you know, all that. Interesting. I mean, I didn't know that a painting could write back. Bulletproof glass and everything. And obviously people are arguing whose portrait it is, if it's the wife of someone, or if it's a self-portrait by Picasso in the female form, which is what I'm going more with, in my opinion anyway. So, the entrance to the museum costs money, something we don't have. So the only way we could show you the museum is like this. Yeah, that's it. This is what we need in London. We need people doing this. This is COVID time as well, come on guys. Like look, everyone's doing it, everyone's chilling. We need people to chill, relax, and just get on with their life. Don't need no more COVID talk, man. Don't need none of that negativity. Big up to the girls for the sandwiches, for these.
But this is not just a sandwich. It's poulet roti. What? Poulet
Roti ełf?
I'm guessing that's chicken.
Nie, poulet, albo roti.
A roti? Roti,
Red?
roti.
Because of that, girls, we can survive right now. Yeah.
Love girls. Much appreciated.
Urbex.